Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm inside of my room showing you those unique light bulbs on my Craftsman garage door opener, half horsepower belt drive, model 139.54920. Manufactured of September 15th, 2016. Here, let me put the light cover back on. Let me open the other one so I can show you what the light bulb looks like. That one's the same light bulb like this one, but it changes colors. But unfortunately, I can't operate my garage door opener because the motor right there is stuck. Because when I was trying to get this thing to go that way, but then it went the wrong direction by accident, and then it made the motor stuck and stop working properly. So that's why I can't open the garage door opener. But I'm gonna show you but I can show you this remote right there. That remote is for the light bulb that changes color. Oh. That's a cool light bulb. Actually, I have two remotes. Okay, so there are two of my most favorite colors. There is purple. My favorite color is purple. And I like orange a lot because it looks very cool. Wow, that's a cool light. Here, let me try again. That's my cool garage door opener. Okay, I'm gonna start changing the lights to turn white. Okay, I'm sorry that I couldn't operate my garage door opener because the motor is kind of stuck, so I might need to, well, don't worry. I'll ask my dad to, get the garage door opener fixed. Well, I'll get my garage door opener fixed as soon as possible. I'll ask my dad to call the repair guy to see what's wrong with the motor. I have the other video of that, but of this opener not working well because it was kind of stuck, and so I think the best way is to have the garage door opener be fixed. Well, hope you enjoyed this video about the lights on this opener. That would look very cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.